I wish in place on this was my guys, give me like sure. You are so beautiful. Hi Ashley. I'll tell you that one. Angry Maulia. Hussein, hello. Yes, I like cucumber a lot. It's my favorite. Tisha, I love your fit from Miguel Amayo. You love my fit? It's dirty. Look at that. Ta-da! It's dirty. No, it's dirty. Are you going to eat my feet? It's dirty. Idol Brian, kumusta ka naman, oy? Umulan ba dyan sa inyo? Ulan dito yung malakas. Parang nilalamig na ako, hindi maintindihan. Hi, Pogi! How are you? My goodness. Thank you for coming. Malakas. Tag-ulan na naman. Tapos magre-reklamo na naman yung mga tao. Tag-ulan, tag-ulan, tag-ulan. Tapos pag tag-init, nagre-reklamo din. So, you know, alam mo na, naiinis na si Lord. Na sabi ni Lord, ano ba ang nangyari? Ano ba talagang gusto niyo sa buhay? There's no way unless you're there. Looking gorgeous, my dear. Really? Thank you. Dami ko siguro mga ano dito. Rahaman62, hello. I am sorry. I'm sorry. I did not notice. Okay, I'm already give you blow. You can connect with the Pogging guitarist and Idol Brian. You can connect my friend Rahaman62. I already give you blow. Marjon, oh my goodness, I miss you. How are you, Dodong? Ang tagal mo na wala. Where have you been? May na idol, tulog na ako, may work pa ako bukas. Thank you, idol. Sige, Dol, salamat sa pagbisita. Ingat ka. Mabuting bye. Thank you, Dol, sa pagbisita. Tulog na rin ako maya-maya. Live lang ako. Nappy, hello. How are you, darling? Thank you for coming. Feel ko, mawawala na naman yung live ko kasi wala akong signal. Henry, hello. How are you? Sarap mo, idol. Natikman mo ba?